My name is Jace and this is Fast Forward Design. Each week I teach new fast tutorials with easy step-by-step instructions on all things design. Alright, let's get started. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily whiten teeth in Photoshop. The first step is to create a new hue saturation layer and use the hand tool to click on a visible yellow color in the teeth. You'll see now yellows show in the preset instead of masters. Next, move the hue sliders all the way to the right and holding from the center of the range, move the range left and right. You're trying to find the point where only the teeth are being affected by the color, like this. Here, you see just the teeth are affected. Move the hue back to the middle and move the saturation to the left and the lightness to the right. And now you'll see you have white teeth. While not in this case, sometimes this adjustment will affect other areas of your photo. So you can simply isolate this adjustment on just the teeth by clicking Command or Control-I to invert the mask to black. Then, using the paintbrush, paint the teeth with a white color. This will make this adjustment only impact the teeth. And finally, if you find the teeth are too white, you can always adjust the opacity of the layer to make the color more natural looking. I post new fast and easy design tutorials every Wednesday. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified about my latest videos.